Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. This test is low air warning system fails or system is activated. I've already told you the air brake is quite easy. Well, this one is really easy. So let me explain what it is. You have a warning system in every truck. Just as we established, it is very important for you to know how much pressure you have. Now, if the pressure drops without you knowing, without you understanding, and without you figuring it out on the road, what happens if your pressure drops below 55? You are going to have your spring brakes having more power than your air brake and then apply. And you're going to have your brakes locked on the road, and which is very dangerous, and you don't want that to happen, right? So that warning system, its job is to tell you that the pressure is dropping and you need to pay attention. If you pay attention, the question is two parts. This is something that a lot of the students don't pay attention to. It says low air warning system fails or system is activated. What does that mean? If you're driving with the pressure well above 100, should the buzzer work? No. You have to make sure that in the operating range, the buzzer, the warning system, is not on. It's not activated. That's the second part of the question. The first part, it says the lower warning system fails. For that, we need to make sure that the system gets activated above 55 psi. Most of the trucks, they get activated around 60 psi. Now, depending on the build, depending on the brand, and depending on the truck itself, it might be a little bit higher or a little bit lower. But we need to make sure that it's above 55 psi. If it is under 55 psi, that it is getting activated or not getting activated at all, that's a very serious major defect, and it opens up room for a lot of mistakes and disasters. So let's make sure that that doesn't happen. How do we check this test? First of all, parking brakes are applied, wheels are chalked, gear is in neutral, vehicle is secure. Technically speaking, this test, because we're not releasing any brakes, which I'll explain in a bit, the wheels don't really need to be chalked, but for the purpose of the road test, make sure that you say it anyways, and make sure that it is the wheels are chalked anyways. That's to make sure that you're not making any mistakes. So we're going to start our truck. And we're going to check our pressure, just like every test. The pressure is now 120, and it's in operating range. And the warning system is not activated. So even before we start the test, we already done half of it, okay? So we need to make sure that it's in operating range and the system is not activated. Now, just like I mentioned, this is the only air brake test that we are not releasing any brakes. We don't need to. Why don't we need to? Whether they're released or not, the warning system needs to get activated above 55 psi. So that doesn't affect our test. That's not, and that's exactly the reason why we are not releasing the brakes. Now, we've already established that when in operating range, the buzzer or the warning system is not activated. Now, we're going to pump the pedal, and we're going to reduce the pressure and see when it actually gets activated. Whichever gauge is dropping faster, we look at that. So exactly at 60 psi, our primary gauge reached 60 psi, and the warning system got activated. So our vehicle is secure and it got activated well above 55 psi. So this is a very simple test. I'm not going to explain anymore. Let's head to the road test procedure and show you how that's done on the road test. Okay, you got lucky on the road test, and one of the questions that you're getting is describe and demonstrate. Low air warning system fails or system is activated. Listen for the word warning. That's the key word here. We are going to read the Schedule 1 for the examiner. Low air warning system fails or system is activated is a major defect. When we have a major defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are not allowed to drive the vehicle. Our parking brakes are applied, wheels are chalked, the gear is in neutral, and the vehicle is secure. Let's get started. The air pressure is at 110 psi. It is in operating range and the system is not activated. I'm going to drop the pressure. The system must be activated above 55 psi. The system is activated at 60 psi. It is above 55 psi. The vehicle is secure.